Welcome to Cats, Cards, and Collectibles, Box 2 of 2024-25, Series 1. Well, let's get it open, see what we can find. Alright, we'll get her started. Pack number 1. If you haven't seen my first video, I'll put a link to it right here. Go check that out. It was a banger. We got some base. We got a gaming PvP, Wilson and Aho. That's a nice one there. We got a Connor Bedard, Gaming XP, second year. Nice, that's a nice card right there. I'm just gonna set that there. What do we have here? Got an Austin Matthews for the UD Portraits. What a pack. That was a pack and a half right there. We got some base. Next pack. Yep, that was a good first pack. Let's keep her going. We got some base. Checklist! We've got a canvas of Kuzmenko. Oh, we got a Mark Stone Renewed Young Guns. That's what they're called. Oh, we got another Young Gun. And we got a Josh Dunn regular Young Gun. Nice. Whoa, dropping the base. Man, we got a retro, a renewed Young Gun. We'll give it the treatment. And we also got a regular Young Gun. We'll give it the treatment. Set it right here. Nice. And we're on to the third pack. What do we got? We got some base, something shiny back there. We got a Ryan Sutter Breaking News. Those are nice to look at, I gotta say. And we got a Gaming FOV Cole Caulfield Field of View. Nice. We got an Aimbot Pasternak. Nice. Base. Now we'll grab a pack from this stack. Base. Ooh, what's that? I didn't slow roll that at all. We got a Nazim Kadri, population count 500. So yeah, there's 500 of these out there. That's a nice one. I like Calgary. Oh, there's a Young Gun. We have a Gavin Brimley Young Gun. That's a good one. We got a Sebastian Aho City Satellites. Those are something else. And we got some base. And we got a population count out of 500. We'll give it the treatment. Set it right there. And we got another Young Gun. Nice. We'll give it the treatment. If we can. There we go. And we'll just set him with his other friend there. Then next pack, before we open that, we're going to see, we got our friend here next to us. Hi, bud. You're cute. And back to the cards. He likes helping. We got some base. Whoa, there's our big blue Bobby Dazzler. Got a Patrick Kane for our blue Dazzler. We got a Matt Boldy for the canvas. We got a PvP, Brad Marchand and Nick Suzuki. Nice. Base. Next pack, let's go. Base. We've got a Victor Hedman Renewed Young Guns. We got Balduke on the Young Guns. That's nice. Here's our first checkpoint. Got Pavel Mintyukov. Checkpoint. Base. And we got our third Young Gun. We'll give it the treatment. Our second renewed Young Gun. And we'll start from this side. Keep her going. What can we find here in this pack? Something shiny. There's our Aliens card, A-liners. We got Meyer, Hughes, and Bratt on the A-liners. I think those are 1 per box. Nice. We got Gaming Co-op, Adam Fantilli and Johnny Gaudreau, rest in peace. And we got a Mitch Marner on the UD portraits. Nice. Base. Next up. Some base. Ooh. Oh. Ooh. We got a Mason Morelli Young Gun clear cut. I had to put it in a sleeve to figure out the name. It's hard to see. That is nice. That's a case hit, isn't it? What else we got here? And we got a Yan Kuznetsov Young Gun canvas. That is nice. Oh, and there's a Young Gun behind that. We got Arshdeep Baines on the Young Gun. Nice. That was a good pack. Base. Well, we gave the canvas and the regular Young Gun the treatment. We're giving the clear cut Young Gun the treatment. And we're gonna make some room for them. Right there in the middle. Nice. Well, that was a good pack. We'll take the last pack on that stack. And we'll open it up and see what's inside. We got some base. What do we have here? An Outburst. We got a Connor McDavid Outburst. Oh, that's nice. Look at that. I like that. We'll set that right there. And we got a Connor McDavid Gaming XP. 10 XP. What is this pack? What's behind here? It's got me wondering. We got a Mikko Rantanen aimbot. Okay, look at that. Shooting the puck. Base. And a Connor McDavid Silver Outburst. I think that deserves the treatment. Sorry, Dazzler. But there you go. Next pack. 3 packs to go. What else can we find? Oh man, it's been a good box. I'm loving it. What do we got here? We've got Anze Kopitar on the renewed Young Gun. Man, I like those. Oh, I gotta probably collect all those. Oh, there's a Young Gun. We got Shakir Makmalamdoulin. Okay, I gave it my best. It's a Young Gun, nice. We got a Chris Kreider on the UD portraits. Oh yeah. Base. And I gave the renewed Young Gun the treatment. I'll give the regular Young Gun the treatment. And we'll get right into the next pack. What do we have? We got a Connor Bedard UD canvas. Nice. What kind of a box is this? We got a Korchinski Breaking News. Those are nice. Oh, something was stuck back there. We got a Krill Kaprizov Field of View Gaming. Nice. And we got some base. And the last pack, Magic. Give it a rub. What a box so far. Thanks for watching. Please like, please subscribe. Leave me a comment. Share if you like. It would make me extremely happy. We got some base to finish off the last pack. What do we have here? We got a Verhaeghe aimbot, sparkly one. Oh, there's a young gun. The last young gun. We got the Mason Morelli regular young gun and the clear cut young gun. And we got an Austin Watson checkpoint. And we've got some checklist. And we got our last young gun. We'll put it in we'll give it the treatment. Set it right there. Nice. Well, that box had a little bit of everything. It was a McDavid box. It was a Bedard box. We got 6 good young guns. We got 3 renewed young guns. We got a canvas young gun. We got a population count 500. That's a nice card, I like it. And we got a clear cut young gun. That is nice. Thanks D&M for picking out this box. It was the last box on the shelf actually, so thanks. Base.